Hi, this is nectarines. I'm going to be cutting it today. It tastes really good. You should try it. It's called nectarines. Yellow likes it. It's a little too sweet for me. That's why I don't eat it. So this is my teddy bear knife. It has a teddy bear. That's why I call it teddy bear. Okay, ready to slice? Oh, and remember that cantaloupe slicing? This is just like it, except it's a different food slicing. Should I just put in the bowl? Okay, and it's really hard to cut because you need a sharp knife like mine. Well, the grown-up knife is sharper, but kids can't use it because they're kids. But if it's babies, they can definitely not use it. Even my teddy bear knife they can't use. But baby pretend knife they can use. If you want to do it too, just ask your parents. But only one more question. I just keep crying. I'll think of questions to ask you, but first I have to think of some. Hi. Oh, wrong way, sorry. He's cutting nectarines, we're cutting nectarines, we're cutting nectarines, oh yeah, we're cutting nectarines. Remember us Baxter B? Actually that's what I call it. It was on our video. Well, actually we're teaching my dad because he's not very good. So I'm going to teach him after. And maybe your parents can teach you how to slice things. I already know too because my mom, Ashley, I just call her mom, maybe her real name is Ashley. So Ashley, she's my grown-up that teaches me. And maybe you can do it tomorrow or next day and next day and next day because he doesn't really like slicing stuff and he only likes Fortnite. That's all he likes.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, I'm going to finish all of these. Why?
It's too many.
I hope you like and subscribe.